the title of the exhibition is Primitive Future. Actually, recently, everything is more and more related to each other. And I feel it is not only about designing one thing, but one thing is related to the other things, and finally it is like really the network of interconnections throughout the whole world. And that is why the subtitle is Everything is Circulating. Not only connected, but also like circulating and in the flow, in a sense. And as you can see in this exhibition, we find out the idea is to use those like wires, flows into the space to create sometimes people shapes and sometimes grow into the architecture and then transform into the nature, so that we feel everything is connected and continuous. And as a result, the whole entire thing is just one cycle. The architecture emerges from our mind and then transforming into the nature or people's life and surrounding skies or neighbors. So all those flows and transformation are expressed in this space. And my architecture philosophy is the linking nature, architecture, and then the making the bridges between simplicity and complexity, or inside and outside, or public-private, and try to find a way of like a beautiful integration. Here we have 12 projects in here, and especially I selected this project, which clearly showing those like a unity or integration of different thinkings together. I hope people to walk around to find out unexpected encounters or layering of the different projects. Or sometimes you lose the depth of the special drawings, or sometimes suddenly from 2D to 3D, the depth or spatial feeling is coming out. So I hope, people simply